Hey everyone, so Unacademy ने एक स्पेशल सरप्राइज गिफ्ट भेजा है, so I thought मैं आप सबके साथ उसे शेयर करूं. So let's open this box. क्या है इसमें? So ये फर्स्ट वाला तो मैंने ये पहले ही ऑलरेडी खोल लिया था. ठीक है, इस बॉक्स के अंदर भी फिर एक बॉक्स है. Let's see क्या भेजा है Unacademy ने. I'm so excited to open this. Let's see the box क्या है इसमें. बबल रैप है. So I'm going to I thought मैं आप सबके साथ ही इसे ओपन करूं. दैट्स व्हाई मैंने इसे पहले ओपन करके ही नहीं देखा. वेरी बिग बॉक्स. Wow, this is like so cool. I must like show you this. This is so cool. Join our community on Instagram, Unacademy educators. This is like here to you, happy Teachers Day. Like this, I must show you this. This is really great. See, happy Teachers Day is written and there is a note like, see this. So I am going to read this. As the world stood still, you moved learners to dream. As the time got tough, you became the rock for millions of learners. As the world changed, you ensured that learning never stopped. Thank you for being the guiding light for millions. Here to you, happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much, Unacademy. That's ठीक है. एक दिन लेट मैं आपको ये वीडियो पोस्ट करूँ, but that's really sweet of Unacademy. Wow, these are the chocolates. Chocolate box भेजा है Unacademy ने. See this chocolates, very nice. See that tray, इसमें था ये, इसमें रखा हुआ था ये chocolates और ये tag. Very good. Then again this is Unacademy. I think pen होगा इसमें. Yes, I was right. ठीक है. See the pen. Pen is there. Packing है इसकी. See this. Really nice. Thank you so much Unacademy for bringing a smile on my face. So this is Unacademy again. इसमें क्या है? Let's see. Different. What's these things? इसमें I think Unacademy के इसमें लोगो वाले पैटर्न्स हैं. I think so. Anyways, इसमें Unacademy के लोगो वाले पैटर्न्स हैं. ठीक है, डिफरेंट पेस्ट करने के लिए, लाइक कंप्यूटर लैपटॉप पे हम लोग इसे पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. So these are the different things that is in it. So this is the diary of Unacademy. Again, very nice gifts. This is again an envelope. Let's open this. Wow, live class in progress, born to teach. These are again, ठीक है. See this, different pamphlets that is busy. Let's crack it. Don't let anyone down. Let's see this. Really nice ones. Thank you so much Unacademy. Thank you so much. This is the diary that I have already shown you, and this is the ठीक है, ये mouse and all रखने के लिए होगा pad. This is, and this is again I don't know what is this. Let's see this. And this is the mat that Unacademy has sent. So we have seen all these things. So this is the surprise gift. Yes, that's it. So this is it. Thank you so much learners. If you are preparing for your judiciary exams, do follow me on Unacademy. Details आपको description box में मिल जाएंगी. And कल से आपका एक batch start हो रहा है, new batch for judiciary preparation. I'm going to start the Indian evidence set, so you can watch those classes to get 10% off on subscription. You can use my code, that is VBlaw. Thank you so much. Stay safe.